The Messiah is prophesied to come to defeat the evil princes of this earth. We need a warrior to destroy the workers of iniquity and the god of this world, who so happened to be a prince as well. The holy angel Michael is that warrior angel. Rome has taught you that the Prince of Peace is this gentle Messiah that died on the cross. Rome made the Messiah a character that came to this earth and got destroyed. The Messiah said, "I did not come to bring peace on earth." The Messiah overturned tables when the workers of iniquity turned his father's house into a den of thieves. How can the Messiah be the Lion of the tribe of Judah and is not a warrior? Judah, the progenitor of the tribe of Judah, was a warrior. He destroyed armies by himself. What about David and his 10,000s?